Hi class, in this discussion I will be talking about the reasoning behind JSON being such a popular format, as well as going through an example of a public data source that uses JSON. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, was introduced in the early 2000s as a communication between JavaScript clients and backend servers, and it quickly became the universal standard for data exchange. One of the major advantages that JSON has over other text-based formats is its ability to create a data hierarchy, which creates a chain for the data to be followed. This clear, simple, and concise nature to JSON, as well as interchangeability between different programming languages, is what made it wildly popular. Its simplicity led to a high usage rate over other options such as XML. Additionally, JSON's small file size and ease to read made it cleaner and more lightweight than XML. One of the public data sources that I found online had information compiled by Virginia Tech University about the number of flights and different flights from different airports that were delayed, canceled, and or diverted. I found this quite interesting as it took flights from different time periods, and then you were able to make analysis over which airports had the fewest delayed flights, the fewest diverted flights, things like that, as well as the most. You were able to see different airports. So the one that popped up quickly was Logan International, which is in Boston, and it just took a look at the different types and flights that were delayed and the reasons for them being delayed or not delayed and things like that. It's quite cool that these public data sources are available online that we can find and research on our own. And again, as JSON being a very simplistic data type, they are able to be read by anybody. They don't necessarily need to be read by those who have a discrete understanding of JSON. Because of its simplicity, it can be read by anybody, and analysis can be created by anyone. Of this data that I saw, it was taken based off of flights from all the way from 2003 to 2016, so a large amount of data that was taken, but it was taken from random periods, so one would have 1 month for 3 years that it looked at and looked at how they did in this month, and then that analysis could be taken from there. Thank you.